back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2007 Jeep Liberty 3.7. We are putting a radiator in. I've got most of it done already. It was raining beforehand, so I didn't want to get my equipment wet. So, go through the walkthrough. This upper brace right here is going to come off. 10, 10, 10, and 10. This little piece right here, you don't need to cut it off. You can just unwrap it around from the washer jug without ripping it off. Two little bolts, right here and right here, go right here in the middle. Those will come out, this whole thing will come out without having to even take out those rivets. This fascia right here comes off. Clip here, little sideways clip here, clip here. This whole piece will just lift itself right out. And get those two bolts right down here. The assembly come right off. You take it off so you can get to the bolts that are down here. Got transmission cooler, bolt right here. See that one, but it's right there. This one has an extra power steering cooler, so that has to come out of the way in order to get that one bolt there. 10 here, 10 there. Condenser will come out of the way. It's on a little hook at the bottom. Take this out of the way. Hook piece will come up. Lift up. Condenser come out of the way. Long 10mm here. Long 10mm here. Radiator will come loose. And lift it out. Don't need to take out the condenser or anything like that. Just move it back out of the way. Just be careful it doesn't hit any of this stuff here. Puncture a hole in it. I am replacing both upper and lower radiator hoses. So got the new one on this. Put the new one on the other one here in a little bit. This is your bleeder screw for when you get coolant flowing in there. Undo your bleeder screw, 8mm Allen head. That way the air can be released out and you don't have a hydrolock inside the engine and called big ass air bubbles. Going back together, the only fun part is I have the plastic valance here and the plastic valance here, or rubber valance. Those make it kind of hard to get this thing out, so you're gonna have to take it off these little hinges, one here, one here. Luckily someone's already done it for me on this one, so you're gonna have to fight with it. But if it's never been off before, you'll see the little plastic piece that covers this stuff right here. You gotta take those off and out of the way so you can get the radiator itself up and out. Please leave a comment, any questions, anything like that, and please like and subscribe.